DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
I'm drilling holes in the actuating lever, the tensioning lever. This one here is where it's going to pivot, and then this one, the next one, is going to be where we attach the armature that'll actually do the tightening. So, find the flat spots. I started this one, I pinged it, but this one I'm going to see if I can just go in. Maybe son of a bitch. I didn't find the flat spot. I thought I found the flat spot. I'm going to go in a little more. Yeah, that should be okay. Alright, let's see if she starts or if she drifts. Yeah, she wants to drift. You see that? Ooh, I think she found a spot. Gently. Looks good. A little bit. That machinist, I called him on Friday. Well, anyway, he goes, yeah, it's almost time for happy hour. And then I explained, what I needed and all that shit. And, but that right there told me a lot of stuff, Almost time for happy hour. That means he's an alcoholic. It also means that he's not taking care of his business. Because this was on Friday, and I'm thinking, I said, hey, if you work on Saturday, I can come by. And he says, I'll be back on Monday. Seems like a nice guy, but, you know how you can tell something about somebody just by one little comment? Almost time for happy hour. I mean, that right there speaks volumes, you know what I mean? I myself am coming up on a year of sobriety. March 4th. I've been in AA so many different times, it's not even funny. Look at that. Well, I'll tell you what. Booze kind of really fucked up my life. I could be a millionaire right now. And it fucks up a lot of people's lives. So what do you get out of drinking? You get about a couple hours or whatever of feeling, good, and then you pay for it the next morning, etc., etc. It fucks up your life. Oh, demon alcohol, sadder memories I can't recall. Who would think that I would fall a slave to demon alcohol? Yeah, it's pretty fucked up. Elon Musk is an alcoholic, I'm pretty sure. At least he started drinking, I could tell. You know, he's on Joe Rogan and he's, you know, they're having drinks and shit. Now this is the wing actuator. And what I did is I tried that 653. It still needs to dry, but I need to have this solid on this shaft. You know what I mean? Now the other option was to make a little key. This is just glued with a Loctite, the 653. I'm going to see how strong this is. If it'll twist this, and then these stainless steel, I found out that McMaster has grade 8. I may upgrade to grade 8, you know, on these wing spars. Anyway, so now we got to make the ears like we did yesterday for this. A couple of, you know, cut a couple of them out of here to and weld it to the pipe so this has a place to pivot. And then we'll just throw a bolt through here with a couple of, well, you'll see. Okay, that's it for now. Onward and upward. Okay, for these ears, just going to cut them out of this and split this in half roughly. My magic scribe that I made. I love this thing. Now this is steel, this is 1/8 inch steel. I just painted it white so you could do a layout on it better, you know what I mean? That's about right there. Same. Isn't this thing cool? I love it. Sun just came up. So cut these out. This is wider than that a little bit. I'll cut it on this side a little bit. Put it in the vise. Cut, cut, cut. With my magic Harbor Freight metal cutoff saw right there. Alright, I won't bore you with that. Okay, this is that actuating lever we're working on. I made a couple of ears for it. Get it apart. So these will be welded onto the pipe. They'll go right here like that. And weld it onto the pipe. And then this lever will do the tightening through whatever we put through here. I gotta drill a 1/4 inch hole through these, so let's do that. This is how you find the exact center of this. You put it to where you got 1 inch here, right? 1 inch crossways. Well, exactly where the 1/2 inch is there, that's your center point, okay? So you measure it this way, so you don't have to go like this, you know, and figure it out. I'll show you that again on another piece. But like, okay, like on here, let's say you wanted to find the halfway point here. Okay, what is it, 9 1/4 inches? So you go 4 1/2 plus 1/8. But look at, if you go like this and put it at 10 inches, okay, then your halfway point is right there at 5, where the 5 is. That's your halfway point, okay? You get it? You measure a diagonal till you get an even number here, and then, you know, half of that. Okay, so I got it in here. If the top one's loose, it's just grab it on the bottom one. So what I'm going to do is just clamp them together here. And now they'll stay. Now we can dial in on this mark I made. And I'm going to hit it with the little drill first. this one. This one's got flat spots, so let's try to find the flat spots this time. Yeah. So there's a halfway spot. Let's find the center. That should be it there. No. Okay. Looks like it's a little bit this way, huh? Looks like I didn't measure that center that well. Unless that's an optical illusion. It's still windy today. Look at that thing go. Wow. There we go. Now let's go to 1/4 inch. Find the flat spot. Back and forth. And there we go. I'll put these drills away. Let's take off our burr. Take off our burr. The famous sander. Okay. Let's take off these edge burrs. Okay, we got ears. Ears? Ears? That's how you can fake a British accent. Say ears? Ears? Look at that, I'm putting away my tools. Yeah, I don't know how that shit gets off center, but it does. Okay, so now we got this. And I got a special thing for this. So this will be on here like that, and then it'll go like that. I did grind a flat spot here. I may do it some more, depending. I probably need to do this, grind a little bit more of this flat spot, because I've got some special bearings for this. So I'm not supposed to use the side. We'll see. We're gonna go inside and show you that part. Okay, I'm inside where the lighting is poor, but it's a lot quieter. So we've got this. And I went and bought these special little bearings here. Let's see how it's gonna go. Yeah, like that. So we got this, so I'm going to start the bolt and put a washer, a bearing, these little roller bearings or whatever, another washer. We're going to go through it. Okay. And now we're going to do the same thing. I made that knife on the other side. Bearing, washer. So on the other side we're going to do washer, special bearing washers, and I believe, yeah, like that. And then I got a special wing nut. It'll be fine-tune the adjustment. So here we go. And it should slide a little easier. There, what do you think, guys? Weld that on, and then we got smooth motion here. I can tell it's a little bit, these aren't totally parallel. But isn't that cool? Okay, onward and upward.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these, because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.